Hey smokers, Hey everybody, it's 2Buck, and this is totally an original channel. So today, I have a motherboard that has a dead capacitor, and I need to replace it. But I don't know how to solder, and I've never done it before. So I'm going to use this piece of shit to learn. I haven't even done anything to it, and it's already broken. So, that one was dead. I spent a while troubleshooting it, and I couldn't make it work. So, I have two more identical ones to choose from. But now it's the question. Do we use Mark Miller's? Or Sandy Springs? Well, Mark's is on top, so it's easier to get to, so come here. Oh. Whoa. Oh. Aha! That one turned on right away. Already had the power supply and RAM and everything in it. I didn't have to do anything to it. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and disassemble this. Because, I mean, this is a really good computer to test this on. Because, I mean, it's a Pentium 4. If I kill it, I'll actually consider it a good thing. I mean, Pentium 4 suck! They're not like cool old, like a Pentium 3 or 2 or a Pentium 1 or an AMD K6 or whatever. But they're not useful. They're too old to be useful nowadays. You can't even do basic web browsing on them anymore comfortably. So, fuck them. Yeah. God, why was that so hard? Alright, the power supply is free. Those aren't even standard Phillips heads. God, these things suck. That didn't work either. They're flatheads. I hate flatheads. Alright, so there's not much left to do. Take off the buttons and the USB and shit. That's it, I think. Oh god, there's so many flatheads. Why is this one so tight? Well, instead of torturing myself with that anymore, these are still kind of Phillips heads too. And I actually went to the trouble to dig out the proper bit. PH1. Yeah. There we go. Oh, that is so much better. Cheap store brand beverage. Like, seriously, look at that branding. It's like some fictional can you'd see on an episode of South Park or something. Woo-hoo. It tastes alright.
Hello there.
Come here. Get out of there. Huh. There he goes. Wait, where'd he go? There he is. I'll put down the camera so I don't accidentally kill him. Be free. He was in there the whole time I was throwing this case around. Bam. There it is. Alright, so I've got to power this thing on to make sure I didn't already break it. Yes, it still works. Okay. Ooh. Things should be heating up. Oh, that joke would work, but Pentium 4 is already hot enough. I'm on fire. Kill me. Okay, so cheap soldering kit. Check. That's about it. Some tips for the soldering iron. Blah. I already watched a YouTube video of this, so I'm qualified. So it dawned on me, I haven't chosen the victim. Well, actually, hold on a minute. First of all, this battery probably still shouldn't be here if it's even still alive. So let's get rid of that. And I'm not sure if that's important or not, but I don't know. We'll grab this one. This little guy right here. Funny enough, that's actually really, really similar to the one I need to replace on that other motherboard, but I already bought them. And, those are better anyway. This is probably some shit. So there's its legs right there. Well. I mean, did I already do it? I changed my mind. I'm changing targets. It's not working. I really do have no clue what I'm doing. It still does work. I had to check because, I mean, I am being really not good. I have no clue what I'm doing. Let's try this again. Here's an easy target. This one, right here, on the edge of the motherboard. There's no way I could fuck that one up, right? I mean, it looks like I got the pins straight, and it looks like I got all the solder off, but it's still not budging. It really sucks to not know what I'm doing. Does it have to be hot for me to remove it? Oh, jeez. I did it. I did it. Turns out that one YouTube video I watched was fucking stupid. I watched another one and oh my god, that was so much easier. What the fuck? Except, now I've got some solder on my iron. I don't know how to get it off safely. There we go. Be gone. Whew. So now that the cap is off, now we gotta get it to go back in. That could be challenging. Now I've got to get these holes back open. I mean, if it's dead, it's because of the fucking other strategy I was using. Oh boy. Oh man. Like, this motherboard is dead. Like, I completely fucked it up from the last strategy I was trying. Yeah, look at that. Ooh. This motherboard's dead. Like, this works. I won't fucking believe it. Oh, man. Man. It's a good thing I wasn't an idiot and I tried this on a junk board first. Oh. Oh my god. It's alive! It's alive! Oh my god. Oh! How? I burnt the absolute fuck out of the back of this thing. Error, boot sequence will be taken if no selection is made. Well, I don't have a keyboard, so... I mean... we get the point! It worked! That capacitor... fucking works! But... I'm not just gonna take it once and then jump to the real deal, because that would be fucking stupid as well. Okay, I'm gonna remove another one, and hopefully, I mean, it'll be 20 times quicker this time. Ooh. I do not know how to handle a soldering iron. Just burned my table. Ugh. This takes even a quarter of the time as that last time. Then I will be disappointed in myself. Okay, let's select another target. How about the one I was actually supposed to do? No. That was kind of fucking stupid. Let's, one more in the center of the board. Closer to the center, anyway. Burnt the shit out of that table. That is a really good smell. Well, I've made my selection. These two, right here, this capacitor. How did this work the first time? Ah, fuck. So close. Mmm. We're so close. Let's do this. Come on. Apply some more solder. Like, see, I don't know if that's just like too much or what. Ah, man, I don't know what I'm doing. This is a pathetic display. Let me take a closer look here. Man, I really need some kind of holder or something for this fucking soldering iron. It is hot. This is not fun. This is not fun. Oh, it came free. Oh, jeez. We got it. We got it. No, where'd it go? There it is. Oh, fuck. There it goes. It only took 10 minutes of fighting this bastard. Oh, focus, you piece of shit there. Kinda. Well, after cleaning it up a little bit, it actually doesn't look that bad. This could still work. Ooh, let's not touch the plastic fan with the really hot soldering iron. Adjust this camera so you can tell what the hell I'm doing. So, because I sure can't tell what the hell I'm doing. I got the holes clean. Well, would you look at that? Okay. So, let's get the capacitor back down and then solder it back. Right, so that capacitor is back in now. So, let's get some solder on there. Try to turn it on again and see if it still works. Oh, I don't understand. I'm so bad at this. Just get on there, solder. Go. Go, go, go. Let go of the iron, you goopy shit. Oh, jeez. That's totally an amazing solder job. Alright, so boot test number 2. Okay. Turned on once. And aha! It posted again. So okay, so this is the board I actually wanted to fix. It's a 775 Core 2 quad machine that I've been using as my HT PC. And let's see if I can actually get this to show up on camera. You can see it good enough. Hold on, I got a flashlight here. Let's see. You can see this one right here is pretty fucked up. I was sitting innocently across the room and I started to smell a really bad smell, and it was coming from this, and that's what I found. So, I mean, I guess I'm pretty comfortable with it now. I'm going to go ahead and just try to at least unsolder the bad cap. I mean, I have to wait a while still for the caps I ordered to get here. But I guess I'm going to go ahead and do it. Here we go. No turning back. more solder attack. Ah, came right out. Yes. That was fucking fast. I'm a professional. There it is. The piece of shit that exploded. 1800, 6.3 volts. That's it. Okay, so where is it? There it is. Got the holes all nice and clean, so theoretically, when the new capacitor gets here, oh, I lost it on the camera again. There it is. Pop, it'll pop right into place. Yes. Yeah, look at that. Isn't that cool? I honestly did not know about that. Look how cool that looks. Woo! Look at that. Woohoo! Oh, that is cool. Okay, that is cool. Man, my hands are shaky. Look at that. I did not know about that. Okay, well, this was a mess of a video, but you gotta start somewhere. This was a first for two things. One, making a video. Two, soldering. So I did a really sloppy job at both. Hopefully things will improve. If you've actually made it this far in the video, I like you. So I don't know how to close videos. Bye.
Hello there.
General Kenobi.
Mark, if you're watching this, sorry about the computer.